In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Roblox account. If you want to temporarily disable your account, open the Roblox app and tap More, then go to Settings. If you're using the Roblox website, click the gear icon and open Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions and select Account Deactivation and Deletion. Click Deactivate and review the information. If you're sure, confirm by selecting Deactivate. You can reactivate your account later by signing back in. If you want to permanently delete your Roblox account, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website, then sign into your account. Click the gear icon, select Help and Safety, then open the Help Center. Scroll to the bottom and click Contact Us. Enter your Roblox username, then enter and confirm the email address linked to your account. Select your device type, then choose I want to delete my account as both the help category and subcategory. In the description box, clearly state that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account and that you understand the deletion is permanent. Once your account is deleted, you won't be able to recover your account, Robux, or game progress. Click Continue to submit your request. Roblox support will review your request and may email you to verify your identity or ask for additional information before permanently deleting your account. And that's how you can delete your Roblox account.